Okay, now we come to lesson 10, level 3. Again, we see functions declared at the bottom, right? We've laid out all the details for the function, and you can go ahead and show the blocks if that's easier. We have the functions down here and what they do, right? So we have a function called roof. What it does is it prints out these equal signs followed by these dashes. We have a function called floor. We have a function called lobby. What they want us to do is, right now, if we run it, what do we notice? We get a roof. Then what happens? We go ahead and we get a floor, right? Which adds a floor to our drawing. And then what do? We get a lobby, right? Which will add our lobby to our drawing here. So what they want us to do is they want us to add code to the program to add at least 3 more floors to the building. Right now, we know that every time we call this floor function, we are going to have a floor get added to our drawing. So as of right now, we have one roof right here, one floor, and one lobby. So what I want you all to think about is if we want to add 3 more floors to the building, what do we need to do to our code? We have we call floor one time, and that gives us one floor. So if we want 3 more, how many more times do we need to call this floor function? And just as a reminder, if you want to call a function, what you do is you come to your toolbox, go to functions, and you drag my function into your code, and then you specify the name of the function you want to call. So if I wanted to add, say, another roof, I would say roof. Right? So now I have 2 roofs, 1 floor, and 1 lobby. But we don't want 2 roofs. We just want 1 roof. We just want 3 floors. Right? So that's what I want you all to try. It's the same idea for lesson 10, level 5, where we have code, right? But our code doesn't work properly right now. All right? It's telling us that we want to make it so that when we run this program and we change our up and down buttons, it changes the face of the drawing here. Right? So what we see down here is there's a function called update screen, right? They want us to add calls to update screen to make the face and text respond to changes in the app. So we have two options, two basically events that we're taking a look at. One of them is the down button, right? Which will one of them is the down button, and the other one is the up button. The only issue is that nowhere in our code are we calling the update screen function. So what you all are going to be doing is figuring out, coming back here, you're going to come drag this update screen function in the correct place. So what I want you all to think about is, where do you need to drag the update screen function into your code so that when the down button is clicked and the up button is clicked, it goes ahead and calls this update screen function declaration.